Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS Health. So what is AWS Health? 1. AWS Health provides ongoing insights into the performance of your resources and the availability of your AWS services and accounts, ensuring that you stay informed about their health status. The service delivers alerts and notifications whenever there are changes in the health of your AWS resources, enabling you to respond quickly to any issues or concerns. With AWS Health, you gain near instant visibility into events affecting your resources, along with guidance to help you troubleshoot and resolve issues more efficiently. AWS Health keeps you informed about upcoming planned activities such as maintenance or upgrades, allowing you to prepare and minimize any potential impact on your applications. The AWS Health dashboard, powered by the AWS Health API, is available to all authenticated AWS users without any additional setup, making it easy to access and monitor the health of your cloud resources. So AWS Health dashboard and integration options. 1. AWS provides a console called the AWS Health dashboard, which is accessible to all customers without any additional setup or coding requirements. Customers can start using the AWS Health dashboard immediately, as it does not require any specific setup or coding tasks to be performed. Customers can set up Event Bridge rules to receive AWS Health events on Amazon Event Bridge, enabling push notifications for automated event management. By creating Amazon Event Bridge rules, customers can automate actions and responses to AWS Health events, streamlining their event management processes. Customers with business, enterprise on-ramp or enterprise support plans have the ability to access the information presented on the AWS Health dashboard programmatically. Programmatic access to AWS Health data can be achieved through the use of AWS command line CLI interface, direct request to the REST API, or by leveraging the AWS SDKs in their preferred programming language. But this is accessible only to business, enterprise on-ramp or enterprise support plans customers. So some key concepts for AWS Health. 1. AWS Health events. Notifications from AWS services. So AWS Health events, also known as health events, are notifications sent by AWS Health on behalf of other AWS services to inform you about upcoming or scheduled changes that might affect your account. Account specific events. So events are two types: account specific events, which is local to your account or organization. So account specific events are health events that are specific to your account or any account within your AWS organization as well, such as issue with an Amazon EC2 instance type in a region that you are using. Then public events are reported service events that are not specific to any account or your account, such as service issues for Amazon S3 in a particular region, even if you do not use that service or have resources in that region. So these are public events which are available for public consumption regardless whether you are using that service or that region or not. So key concepts continuing. So the AWS Health dashboard, which we have already seen, displays both public events and account specific events for AWS account holders, helping them learn about general awareness events and events that might directly affect them. The health dashboard service, so there is specific service health which is at this location, is accessible to everyone. So this is for everyone even without an AWS account, and shows only public events related to service availability. So this you can go ahead, even if you don't have AWS account, you can go to this URL and see the health of different AWS services which are publicly available for everyone to see. Then event type codes in a health event include the affected service and the type of event, such as, for example, AWS EC2 system maintenance event. So there is one event specific called as AWS EC2 system maintenance event, which indicates a scheduled maintenance event that might affect you. Okay, next is event type categories. So all health events have an associated event type category which provides a high level understanding of the event, such as scheduled for AWS RDS maintenance scheduled code, and account notification events. So this is another type category. Account notification events provide information about the administration or security of your accounts and services and may require urgent action from you. So one is account notification. Second, so this is in general like account notification, and then you have this account notification that is for administration or security information. Then you have something called as issue. So issue events, these are different type of event. Issue events are unexpected events that affect AWS services or resources, such as operational issues causing service degradation or localized resource level issues. And finally, one more third category is scheduled change. So these are scheduled change events provide information about upcoming changes to your services and resources, such as end of support notifications or auto upgrades, and may require action to avoid service disruptions or which service occur automatically. So may occur automatically, I mean to say. So basically there are 3 event type categories, and these categories are associated with all types of health events. So AWS Health emits health events, and these categories are account notification, issue, and schedule change. Now next concept is event status. So this can be, the event status indicates whether the health event is open, closed, or upcoming, and you can view health events in the same AWS Health dashboard or using the Health API for up to 90 days. So health, even if it's closed, it's available for view up till 90 days from after it has occurred also. Then affected entities. So affected entities are AWS resources that might be affected by the event, such as specific EC2 instances affected by a scheduled maintenance event. And AWS Health events on Amazon Event Bridge. So you can set up Amazon Event Bridge rules for your accounts to automate actions after receiving specific AWS Health events, such as sending planned lifecycle event messages to a chat interface or Slack or email notification, or triggering a workflow in your ITSM tool, IT service management tool also. Okay, next is AWS Health API. The AWS Health API allows programmatic access to the information displayed in AWS Health dashboard, and this enables you to retrieve information about the events that might affect your AWS services and resources. You can enable or disable the organizational continuing about Health API. So you can enable or disable the organizational view feature for your AWS organization, and you can filter events by service, category, and code. So basically through this Health API, you can consume all the events, or you can filter by service, category, specific service, for example EC2, S3, or something which you are interested in, and the event type, whether it's open, closed, or some other or in progress, and the code also. So you can take action depending on filter, and you can, based on whether you want to per account or the organizational level view you want to have. So you can do all this through the Health API. And last is organizational view, the key concept. So the organizational view feature allows you to aggregate all health events for all AWS accounts in your AWS organizations into a single view in the AWS Health dashboard, accessible through the management account or the AWS Health API. So Again, this is for multi-account setup. So if you have set up AWS organizations, so from the parent or the management account, you can aggregate from all your different accounts, child accounts or the member accounts, and you can have a single consolidated view, and you can directly watch it on the health dashboard in the parent or the management account, or you can use the health APIs, which again ties back to that point number 10, and you can consume this information or display it or take some action, ITSM tool, PagerDuty notification tool. So you can just integrate any ITSM notification app, whatever you're using, to set up end-to-end pipeline for troubleshooting and issue resolution. And that's all. Thanks for watching.